Hey, I'm Celeste, and right now I'm doing something pretty ordinary. I'm using the internet. But before that idea occurred to us humans, since the beginning of life on land, plants have been using their own form of the internet, connected by something called mycorrhizal networks. Mycorrhizal networks are miles of chains underground made of, and this may seem weird, fungi. No. Mycorrhizal networks are made from the roots of fungi, and they do much more than top your pizza. They connect plants in a way that seems similar to the internet. They also help combat human problems like the greenhouse effect and the coronavirus, but we'll get there later. For now, you can think of mycorrhizal networks as the wires of the internet. They find minerals, which are their vitamins, by scavenging. And just like the internet, they're made of a massive network of connections, which they use to trade their vitamins with plants in exchange for sugars and fats. It's a relationship that helps them both. Swiss scientists discovered the extent of plant communication in 2016. They put a special variety of carbon dioxide called 13C, which trees breathe, in the roots of one tree, but they found it all around in other trees, even ones from other species. The trees had basically sent the special carbon dioxide over the internet using mycorrhizal eBay, and it turns out that over half their food is from online shopping. Scientists are still learning a lot about how mycorrhizal networks interact with plants. In fact, it was only in 2019 that researchers mapped the mycorrhizal networks using an advanced math equation and found that 92% of plants have joined the fungi internet. This communication allows plants to caution each other about disease or pests, like me texting my friends to warn them about a pop quiz, and said toxins to prevent competitors from connecting to the internet themselves or getting food. Mycorrhizal networks have a huge impact on how plants live, but they also have significant implications for humans and everyone else on this planet. Right now, the Earth has too much carbon dioxide in the air around it, known as the atmosphere, which is causing the sun's heat to stay trapped and resulting in rising temperatures. One way that scientists have found mycorrhizal networks help keep carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere is simply by breathing. When the mycorrhizal networks exhale carbon dioxide, they do it underground, which keeps it out of the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is also released into the atmosphere when bacteria break down dead plants. When mycorrhizal networks drive out bacteria by eating their food, less carbon dioxide is returned to the atmosphere. Scientists are still understanding what influence mycorrhizal networks have on the climate, which means that their important impact hasn't been taken into account in climate change models. Scientists are studying how to use mycelium, the strands that mycorrhizal networks are made of, in medicine. Scientists in Italy theorized in March 2020 that taking specific parts of mycelium could help wake up the natural guards in our body that fight off diseases like COVID-19, which is caused by the coronavirus. The power of mycorrhizal networks to act as an internet connecting most plants on Earth is gathering attention in the scientific community because it shows us how to protect plants against the changing climate and potentially even how to cure the coronavirus or other illnesses to come. So when you use our internet, just remember, plants have an internet too, keeping them connected with mycorrhizal networks.